Hi everyone, in this video you will learn about the call notification flashlight in Realme 11X. So in Realme 11X, if you want to enable the feature like whenever you receive the call or notification, the flashlight will blink. If you want to enable it, I will show you how to do it. I will tell you all the steps in this video, just follow them, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's watch it.